All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. I've got a really exciting video for you today. I've been waiting for this for quite some time. That's my 2020 Street Glide CVO. That color of the CVO is Sand Dune, and very few companies are able to actually color match this a specific paint job because, again, it's a CVO color and it's very difficult to get. And if you go to the dealer, you can only get it in small increments to do touch-ups. I reached out to Hogworkz, who I've worked with in the past for other things on the bike, the covers inside the bag, the rear rack. Again, just a great company overall. So I reached out to them and said, hey, I really like your Shorty front fender, but I've never seen anyone able to actually color match it to this CVO custom color. They said, no problem. Give us, 4 to 6 weeks and we'll send it out to you. Well, guess what? It just got here under 4 weeks. And let me show you what this looks like. Check that out. I mean, look how awesome that looks. I mean, it is literally identical. It is a perfect match. I am super impressed with their color matching abilities. And of course, they sent me out a nice t-shirt. So in full transparency, Hogworkz sent that fender out to me at no cost. But man, I've got to tell you, I am just impressed. Now look, irrespective of them sending this stuff out to me or not, you've seen their products everywhere. Reviews are through the roof. And frankly, what I was really skeptical about up till this point was how close they were able to get to this sand dune color that I have. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put it here right next to it. I'm gonna give you some shots of it so you can judge for yourself. But I'm telling you, right here, it's identical. And of course, it's getting a little bit dark out. I've got the lights here so you can, really see it up close and personal. And then in the future videos, I'll also feature it in the sunlight during the day, and I'll talk about if I see any difference. So let's do this quick install here. But again, before I do, this is the kind of stuff that I do here on the Fly and Ride channel. As you can tell, this is the Fly and Ride garage. I've got, obviously, this bike. I've got the 2024 Pikes Peak, and I've got the 2022 RTO 50 GS. I feature cinematic drone footage. I do destination rides, group rides, product upgrades, product reviews, installations like we're about to do here. All things here on the channel. So do me a favor, if you like that kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of content like this one. So let me show you what comes in the packaging. Super easy instructions. You can see right there. Packaging comes here, comes in black or in chrome. I'm gonna do it in black because it matches with the bike. 4 bolts, the nuts, the washers. Super easy install. Remove that fender, remove those 4 bolts, and then these inserts will go here in between this piece here, and then that's it. The new fender comes in, put the bolts in, tighten it, and it's that simple, super easy. So let's do that right now. Let me just, by the way, you need a 1/4 inch Allen, or this socket set that I have here. You need a 13-inch for the nut right here to sort of hold it as you tighten it. And that's it. Super easy job. So let's do that. Super simple. Remove this front fender here. That's it. Much heavier, obviously much bigger. I'll always keep this because obviously I keep all of the stock parts for the bike. So let me put them side by side here. So let me show you these side by side here so you can see how identical these colors are. Hopefully you can see it with the light that I have in here because, again, it's getting dark out, but I wanted to do this. So I'm so excited that this thing got here super early. Just awesome company to work with. Great service. Look how much smaller that fender is. So again, one of the reasons why I wanted to do this upgrade is because I absolutely love the way that this rim and this tire looks. The stock fender, while it looks good and it works for a while, it really covers that tire. And this Hogworkz option gives you, I think, the best of both worlds, right? The color matched, sportier look here in the front, and you're able to see this tire, those galfer rotors, and just changes the look of the bike. So look, enough talking. Let me install this here real quick, and let me show you what this looks like. Yeah, I definitely put it backwards. No problem. Easy. There. And let's go up here. Boom. Nice. Now we're good. See that angle there is much better. Let me show you how nice this looks. I think that looks awesome. I see it identical. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. So again, look, a special thanks to Hogworkz. Super easy install. You know, obviously, I am the least mechanically inclined individual that you've ever met or not met. And as you can tell, I put it on backwards. I wasn't even paying attention. Flip it back. Now that looks absolutely awesome. So Hogworkz, thank you again for sending this. Super happy with the outcome. Make sure you go check them out. Color matching. They have a bunch of different products on their website. And I have their bag covers here, as you can tell. Top quality. Absolutely the best. So look, that's gonna do it for this video. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.